Together we achieve. Everybody, I thought I'd come just outside this morning to have a look around the garden and see what I can see out here. Loads of things, lots of different colours of all the flowers, lots of different insects. I'm seeing bees and butterflies and all sorts of birds going overhead. Nice to have some time outside, and it's beautiful morning with the sun shining this morning. Nice to spend a bit of time outside. Hope you're all doing okay. It's really lovely to see all the photographs and videos that you're sending into school, so keep sending them in. Don't forget, we need some jokes for the assembly, so if you've got any jokes, please send them in. Take care at home, and we'll hope to see you soon. Okay, take care.
Hello everybody, hello. Hello everybody, hello. Hello everybody, hello. Hello everybody, hello. Hi everyone. Can't wait till you're back at school, ready to learn and have some fun.
Hi everyone, hope you're okay and staying safe, and I hope to see you really soon. Bye.
Hi everyone, really missing you all. Hope that you are all well and having lots of nice times with your family. Take care, hope to see you soon.
Hi everyone, just wanted to check in and say hello and hope you're all okay. I'm missing you all loads, hopefully won't be long till we're all back together again.
Hello everyone, hope you're all staying safe and well. Missing you all lots and hope to see you soon. Bye!
Hi everybody, we hope that you're all doing okay and are keeping safe and being good at home, and we all hope to see you soon. Take care guys, bye!
Bye.
Hi everybody, hope you're all well. Hope to see you all soon. Stay safe.
Hi everyone, hope you're being really good at home with your parents or carers. We're really missing you all in school and we hope we can come back soon. Stay safe.
Hello. Hi everybody, hope you're doing okay.
Hi everyone, hope you're all well.
you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you did to, oh why can't I? Oh, someday I wish upon a star, wake up